last year when I did my tree, when I took it down, I packaged everything separately in these containers so that it would be easy for me when I have to put up my tree this year. So this one was everything that was for the step, but this year I'm not decorating the step because I blocked off that area. So I'm gonna set this aside and I'll be using that for my door on the outside. So here I have all of the balls. And this one I have some ribbon, but I'm switching up the ribbon this year. So I showed you guys on my Insta stories. Follow me at Trini Cooking with Natasha. You would see me when I go shopping and stuff. So what I want to do is, the first thing we have to do is put the ribbon on the tree. So let me get that. So guys, the first thing you want to start with is your ribbon, and I got these from Michael's and they were only $6. So I think it was a good price. So what you want to do is you want to take your ribbon and you're going to go in from the top. You want to stick it really well in there, and then you're going to make a loop and you're going to go in again and stick it in there, and then make another loop. So basically you're just making a loop throughout the tree, and when you're making your loop you can go diagonal, you can come down straight, you can go whatever direction you want to go. So I'm gonna place my loop, my ribbon, sorry, in, and I'll see you guys right back. So guys, now for the balls, and I have here a combination of rose gold and gold tones. So I'm gonna put on the balls first throughout the tree. I left a little hanging thing on there when I took them down, so it's easy to put back up. Okay, so now let's put on our acorns. And as I said, my team is gold and rose gold, so I have both gold and rose gold acorns. And you see, when you pack away your things really nicely, like I did, and you section it off, it makes putting up your tree the next year, it makes it a breeze, not a hassle at all. So I just want to distribute these evenly throughout the tree. So now for my flowers. Now to put in these, I just have a few, so I have to spread them out really well. These up top will help accentuate the star when I put on the star. And now to put on some ferns. These are really champagne colors, so it's rose, gold, gold, and champagne. Now the ones that I'm putting at the top, when I put on the star, I'll have to fix it because I need it to look really well with the star. So we'll always go in and fix after we put them on. Now I'm going to go in with my leaves. Okay, so now for some icicles. So now I'm going to go in with some snowflakes. I have some more snowflakes, but these are more of a plastic, and I do have them in gold and silver. I'm just gonna put a little touch of silver on the tree. So I'm just gonna hang these if I can find a spot, because I know that the tree is very full at this time. So let me see how we can put these in. These are gonna look so nice. Here are some more fillers. So guys, the last thing I have to do is to put on the star. Now I need to work it. So guys, what do you think? Do you like the tree? It's all about getting different types of fillers, different textures, different tones to really make a tree come together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. What I'll do is down in the description box, I'll link the items. I can find them. If I can find them online, I would put all of the items that I purchased to decorate my tree. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Thank you all for requesting it. And I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and enjoy decorating your tree. Until next time, bye.